Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Unplugging your TV can indeed save on energy bills. Devices left plugged in, even when turned off, continue to draw a small amount of power, a phenomenon known as phantom load. Over time, this can add up. By unplugging TVs, especially when away for extended periods, you reduce energy consumption and contribute to lower electricity costs. An easier alternative is to use a power strip with an on-off switch to manage multiple devices simultaneously.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.